Crash Course on Technology and Innovation in South Korea. An examination of South Korea's cutting-edge technology and innovation, including its global impact. Technology and innovation in South Korea. South Korea is a country known for its technological advancements and innovations. The country has been a pioneer in various fields such as semiconductors, mobile phones, and digital displays, to name a few. One of the most fascinating stories that can be shared is about the Samsung Group, a South Korean multinational conglomerate that has played a significant role in the country's technological growth. The company was founded by Lee Byung-chul in 1938 as a trading company. Today, it has become a world-renowned brand known for its smartphones, home appliances, and other electronics. Samsung has become a symbol of South Korea's technological prowess and innovation, and its success has had a significant impact on the country's economy. Apart from Samsung, South Korea has also produced other major companies such as LG, Hyundai, and SK Hynix, among others, which have made significant contributions to the country's technological advancements. Top 12 Korean Technology and Innovation. Samsung, a global leader in smartphones, home appliances, and other electronics. LG, known for its innovative home appliances, televisions, and mobile phones. Hyundai, one of the largest car manufacturers in the world and a major player in robotics and automation. SK Hynix, a leading producer of memory chips for computers and mobile devices. POSCO, the fifth largest steel producer in the world. Naver, a search engine and web portal that is widely used in South Korea. Kakao, a popular messaging app and digital content platform. Coupang, an e-commerce company that offers fast and reliable delivery services. Hanwha Techwin, a manufacturer of surveillance cameras and other security systems. Korea Aerospace Industries, a major producer of military and commercial aircraft. Daewoo Shipbuilding and Marine Engineering, a shipbuilding company that specializes in constructing high-tech vessels. Hancom, a software company that produces office productivity software and other digital products. Summarize. South Korea has made significant contributions to the world of technology and innovation, particularly through companies such as Samsung, LG, and Hyundai. The country's advancements have had a significant impact on its economy and have made South Korea a global leader in various fields. Other notable companies such as SK Hynix, POSCO, and Hancom have also contributed to the country's technological growth. South Korea's reputation as a technological powerhouse is well deserved, and it will be fascinating to see what innovations it produces in the future. Poem. In the land of the morning calm. Innovation and technology sing their song. From Samsung to Hyundai. South Korea's prowess is on display. LG's home appliances are the finest. And SK Hynix's memory chips the strongest. POSCO's steel is built to last. While Naver and Kakao are spreading fast. Coupang's delivery is speedy. And Hanwha Techwin's camera is steady. Korea Aerospace Industries soars high. While Daewoo Shipbuilding sets sails with a sigh. Hancom software is ever evolving. With digital products forever solving. South Korea's technological prowess will always be a shining success. Song. Verse 1. In the land of the morning calm. Innovation and tech hold the palm. Samsung, LG, and Hyundai. Leading the way with their high fly. Chorus. South Korea, a powerhouse of tech. SK Hynix's memory, a notable spec. Coupang's delivery, oh so quick. Korean tech is making us tick. Verse 2. Naver and Kakao, we all know. The search engine and app that glow. Asterisk asterisk asterisk, we hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences South Korea has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to South Korea, please ensure to use our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 = 7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you. Anhub Metaverse Team.